At Labworks, we facilitate people's brilliance. Company culture is a innovative, forward-thinking sort of mindset where we are continually reinventing ourselves each and every day.
Every day is kind of different here at Labworks.
Some days I'm using a forklift, other days I'm on site, some days I'm designing things.
The really unique thing about Labworks compared to other places that I've worked at is that they essentially have an open door policy. It's just as simple as turning around and asking them for help and support.
Hi, I'm Braden Lloyd.
Kareem.
Graham Kingsbury.
I'm a project manager. I've been at Labworks for about 3 years now.
I've been at Labworks here for 5 years. I'm a mechanical engineer, currently doing project management.
I'm a project manager at Labworks International. I've been working here for 2 years.
Labworks is an industry leader in a plethora of different controlled environments, as well as lots of pharmaceutical applications for vaccines.
We're the subject matter experts that help them achieve their targets.
Right away I was thrown into projects that I didn't even think I was capable of. Quickly was able to grow and gain more responsibility.
Labworks fosters your creativity. If you have a good idea and you can bring it and make a case for it, Labworks will 9 times out of 10 support that.
You start off by having your own time or chance to come up with the engineering solution for the process.
We're allowed to bring our own designs to senior managers and work on them.
And then through various team efforts and review meetings, you quickly and easily refine that idea to something that ends up working for what the client needs.
We actually take on some pretty risky projects that might be difficult to present some engineering challenges. It doesn't matter what it is, we'll figure out a way to make it work.
I just landed in Canada for my permanent residency after being locked in Egypt for 2 years due to COVID. About a couple of days before I arrived here, I went through the application process. I ended up starting like about a month and a half after I arrived in Canada. Took off from there really. It was pretty seamless.
I was working while I was going to school full time. By working flexible hours at Labworks, I was able to cover my tuition and come out of school and get right into the industry.
At Labworks, we have a passion for detailed engineering and perfection in everything we do to make our customers happy all around the world.
Labworks has your back. If you want to join Labworks and you have really good ideas, you want the experience, and you feel like you can succeed in multiple areas, then Labworks is a great place to do that.